moms and dads, or grandmas and grandpas, or sisters, or brothers. We're glad you guys are here. We've been working really hard making our costumes and reading the book and practicing when we were learning about what animals do during winter. So we're really excited that you're here, and we're excited to show you our play, Bear Snores On.
Okay, bears, go to sleep. Go to sleep, Michael.
There we go. In a cave in the woods, in a deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear, and the bear snores. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls through the cave in the fluff, cold snow. Mouse says,
too dim, too dark, too cold, too dim, too dark, too cold.
So Mouse lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse says,
Who's there? Who's there?
and Rabbit hops in. Rabbit says, ho, Mouse. Oh, if you're a rabbit, you're saying, ho, Mouse. Bear and Macy and Hunter, can you guys say, ho, Mouse? Long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse slurps, wee slurps. Rabbit burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, and she sniffs the air, and then she says, I smell yummy yums. And then you say, perhaps we can share. I brought, what'd you bring? Okay, so she passes them out, and they divvy them up, and they cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Dig through the floor. And a raven and a wren flutter in through the door. The birds fly in, fly birds fly. Mole says, what a night. Oh, moles, can you guys say, what a night? And birds say, nice and loud, what a storm. And so everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Rabbit stokes the fire. Poke, 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 poke it with a stick. And Mouse stirs the stew. And then she puts some pepper in. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear say, and he blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the the bear wakes up. He growls. And he roars. He jumps. And he stomps. And he says, "You've slept. And you've all but me. I was sleeping. And I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. But then Mouse goes over and she says, she says, "Bear, don't worry. Don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. So hand him some corn and hand Piper some tea." Okay, and Mouse can go sit back down. Bear gulps and he gobbles. And he sighs with delight. And then he spins tall tales through the long, blustery night. And Bear says really, really loud, "Once upon a time." And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. And everybody sits up and says, "The end." Are we gonna take our All right. Here we go.